Clarify visually with Gemoo. In the past, most information was carried in words or pictures. Nowadays, we are becoming increasingly accustomed to receiving information through videos. Dynamic videos undoubtedly capture attention and enhance the effectiveness of information transmission. Now, more and more people are also using video in their daily work and life. The value Gemoo provides is to assist in recording videos that deliver information more clearly and intuitively. Don't worry, creating videos on Gemoo is not complicated. It's just a step-by-step process of documenting your entire expression from start to finish, attracting your audience along the way. Just like them. I use Gemoo to record course videos. I use Gemoo to record fitness training videos.
I use Gemoo to record code problem feedback videos.
Gemoo can capture your screen and camera moments clearly. When the screen is accompanied by your voice, it is already far more interesting than the picture. Furthermore, utilizing real-time drawing to emphasize key points can help make a more lasting impression on viewers. Whether it's tutorials, presentations, creative content, game achievements, or software troubleshooting, using video as a more authentic medium is like having a real face-to-face communication, allowing your audience to intuitively experience the value. Don't miss out on the opportunity to visually document your work or hobbies. Gemoo look forward to being a part of your screen recording journey. Clarify visually with Gemoo.